So how do you run Python code in Visual Studio? So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you have Python development installed. So for that, you will need to open up the Visual Studio installer, close your Visual Studio if it's already opened, and then all you need to do is open up the start menu and then search for Visual Studio installer and click on the app to open it up. And this should open up the installer. Now select your Visual Studio version. So for example, this one here, click on the modify button. And then in the individual components tab, you want to look for Python and basically install Python language support. And in the workloads tab, you want to look for Python as well, which is under the web and cloud category. Check Python development. And you can also check if you want Python web support and Python 3, which is this version, which is out of support, but you can install it individually from the Python website. And once you're done, you can click on the modify button here, and this should start downloading the requirements. And once it finishes installing, it should tell you that it's up to date. Now you will also need to install Python if you don't have it by going to python.org and then downloads and get the release that you want to use or the version that you want to use. And then all you need to do is launch Visual Studio again and open up your project. Now, if you try to create a new project, you should see Python in the drop-down as a new option. And then you can choose Python application, press next, and then give it a name, and it will create a project for you for Python. Now all you need to do is start creating Python files and then just write code for Python. So for example, print hello world here. And all you need to do is press F5 to compile with the debugger, or Control press F5 to compile without a debugger, or you can start the program from these buttons right here. And that should open up the program and run your program in Python. As you can see right here, I'm going to run the program and it will print hello world. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.